this is Anne now trying to plant the vegetable near the ipil-ipil. So Anne, what do you expect? Gagapa ngayon dito sa tree.
Oo, gagapan siya.
Gagapan siya dyan sa tree. This is the ipil-ipil tree.
Since existing na kasi sa farm may existing na ano, you don't have to take out everything.
Oo.
Gamitin mo sila.
Because I remember when we were trying to clean up this place, itong ipil-ipil tree na ito na napapaligiran ito ng mga wild vines. No? So ngayon ang magre-replace sa wild vines, ito ng vegetable, no? Yung sigarilyas na. Wow, very smart idea. This is something new. Na imbis na putulin mo yung mga ipil-ipil tree, you retain them. Ha?
Bawas-bawasan mo na lang siguro ng leaves out ng shade para mas ang sunlight.
Oh, wow. Very smart idea. And that is one concept sa organic farming, no, na yung mga wild trees i-retain, hindi like this one no, na parang most of it wild weeds, no? Anong maganda diyan?
Ano lang kasi ng area. Like for example, identify ka lang ng kung anong vegetable, anong area ang lagyan mo ng iyong plots. Pero not necessarily na kalbuhin mo siya.
Yeah.
O kasi we don't know, some talagang growers nasa organic farm, they retain some of those isip natin ay damo na walang silbi. Pero that is beneficial to the insects. So kung mayroon mang insects, mas doon pupunta yung mga insects instead doon sa vegetables mo.
And you mentioned this even wild weeds, yung mga grasses na yan, na can retain water also.
Yeah.
No?
Hindi magiging dust yung soil mo. Kasi once na mag-dust na siya, wala na siyang nutrients rin eh. Tapos na rin
Yeah.
ano niya.
Anyway, pagka wild grass naman, wala namang problema kung meron ka talagang tinatanim na plants or vegetables, no? Hindi ba sila nagko-conflict in terms of nag-aagawan sila? Kasi ang the perception, nag-aagawan sila ng nutrients.
Yun kung marami.
Ha?
Kung talagang mas marami siya. Na talagang marami yung pero once na kasi yung plant na na siya, adult na, wala nang problema yun.
They can cohabitate, ha?
Yeah. Especially pag summer season, mas hindi madali mag-evaporate yung
Very good concept, no? Isang idea diyan na
kung magdamo ka man, huwag mo siyang bunutin.
Shake up mo lang siya. Anyway, pwede naman silang sabay-sabay na mag-grow, no?
This one is not supposed to be the right for seedlings.
Yung may special plastic na ginagamit yung black.
Kasi ito hindi to biodegradable.
Make sure na i-gather yan in some area na hindi siya magkalat sa environment.
And dapat kasi sa roots black eh.
Oo nga, black. May connection yung roots saka yung even the color of the plastic may connection.
Dapat hindi sunlight, hindi ng sunlight.
Pero what about those black na parang nilalagyan yan? You still remove the plastic pag dilipat. Yun na mismo itself dahil biodegradable yun. Alam mo kasi nagmamadali na we intend to really use the plastic. But for the
purpose... Kung meron nga sanang dito banana leaves.
Yeah, remember when we were in elementary, that's where we have our di ba, seedlings na nilalagay sa yung pinaka-plastic. Oo.
Pero yung yung leaves mismo.
Anyway, as we do our future preparation, we will do the best and the ideal way.
Yeah. It's start.
Wow.
Kasi ganun talaga yung development ng pag-change into organic farming.
Everything kino-consider,
It will take time. It's a lifestyle. It's not a fashion. It's